In a world of plastic parts and complex computers, some machines refuse to die. Today, we're counting down the top 9 Massey Ferguson tractors so reliable, farmers still trust them to feed the world decades after they left the factory. From the iconic red paint to the legendary Perkins roar, these are the unbreakable workhorses that defined agriculture. Which one is the ultimate survivor? Buckle up because we're diving into the heavy-duty legacy of the world's toughest tractors. Number 9. Massey Ferguson 35. Kicking off our list at number 9 is a machine that didn't just work the land, it conquered it. Since 1956, the Massey Ferguson 35 has defined the immortal workhorse. While other 50s tractors are rusting in scrapyards, thousands of MF-35s still fire up on the first try, ready for a full day's labor. But what makes this 3-cylinder terror so unstoppable? It starts under the hood with the iconic Perkins 3.152 diesel engine. Delivering a punchy 37 horsepower from a 2.5-liter displacement, this engine is world-renowned for its torque and fuel sipping. Paired with a rugged 6-forward, 2-reverse gearbox, the deluxe edition featured a dual-clutch system, allowing the PTO to run independently, a high-tech luxury for its era. The real magic lies in Harry Ferguson's 3-point linkage. This wasn't just a hitch, it turned tractor and implement into one synchronized unit, lifting a massive 1,100 kilograms. Weighing 1,400 kilograms with a compact 2.97-meter frame, the MF-35 dances through tight spaces where modern giants fail. Farmers still swear by them today because there are no complex electronics to fail. Built with high-grade steel, the MF-35 proves simple is just another word for invincible. It's a 60-year-old legacy that refuses to quit. Number 8. Massey Ferguson 135. If the MF-35 started a revolution, our number 8 spot, the Massey Ferguson 135, perfected it. Launched in 1964 to replace its legendary predecessor, the 135 didn't just meet expectations, it shattered them, becoming arguably the greatest agricultural machine ever built. Even today, finding an original 135 still working a field isn't rare. It's expected. What's the secret behind this immortal reputation? It's the upgraded Perkins AD 3.152 diesel engine. This 2.5-liter powerhouse pumps out a fierce 47 horsepower, known worldwide for being bulletproof, easy to start in freezing cold, and capable of running tens of thousands of hours. But the real game changer was the optional multi-power transmission. With 12 forward gears, it allowed farmers to shift on the move without touching the clutch. Pure witchcraft in the 1960s. The 135 is a master of physics. Its Ferguson system hydraulics can lift over 1,300 kilograms, cleverly transferring weight to the rear wheels to give this 1.5-ton compact beast the pulling grip of a giant. With no complex electronics to fail and parts still widely available today, the MF-135 isn't just a vintage tractor. It's a high-value asset that often outsells modern machines in reliability. It's small, it's simple, and it's absolutely unstoppable. Number 7. Massey Ferguson 165. If the MF-135 was the king of small farms, our number 7 spot, the Massey Ferguson 165, was the undisputed heavyweight champion of the 1960s. Known as the Red Giant, this wasn't just a tractor, it was a multi-purpose powerhouse designed to bridge the gap between compact agility and raw industrial strength. Produced from 1964 to 1975, the 165 brought a massive leap in performance. Early models featured the Perkins 4.203 engine, but later versions were upgraded to the legendary 62 horsepower Perkins A 4.212. This 4-cylinder beast provided incredible low-end torque, making it nearly impossible to stall under heavy loads. Pair that with the revolutionary multi-power transmission, offering 12 forward gears and on-the-go shifting, and you had a machine that could outwork anything in its class. But the 165's true secret weapon was its durability. It introduced wet disc brakes submerged in oil, ensuring stopping power that lasted decades, not just seasons. With a reinforced Ferguson hydraulic system lifting up to 1,587 kilograms, it handled 4 furrow plows with ease. Even after 50 years of brutal sun and heavy towing, these 2.8-ton legends remain tight, tough, and easy to fix with basic tools. In the world of farming, the MF165 isn't just reliable, it's overbuilt to survive forever. Number 6. Massey Ferguson 265. Stepping into the mid-70s, our number 6 spot is claimed by a titan of the 200 series, the Massey Ferguson 265. Launched in 1975 to succeed the legendary 100 series, the 265 took durability to a new level. It wasn't just a replacement, it was a massive upgrade in raw strength. After 50 years, this machine remains the backbone of family farms worldwide. The secret to its status? Look no further than the Perkins 4.236 diesel engine. This 3.9-liter, 4-cylinder masterpiece delivers a steady 63 horsepower with immense low-end torque. It's widely considered one of the best diesel engines ever built, capable of running tens of thousands of hours without an overhaul. Paired with an 8-forward gearbox or the lightning-fast multi-power option, the 265 is a pulling machine that refuses to quit. The MF265 features an upgraded Ferguson hydraulic system with a staggering 1,860 kilogram lift capacity. With hydrostatic steering and wet disc brakes for ultimate safety, this 3-ton beast handles heavy plows with surgical precision. No complex computers, just thick steel and pure mechanical genius. The MF265 isn't just a tractor, it's a 63 horsepower legacy that keeps on working. Number 5. Massey Ferguson 675. At number 5, we witness a revolution in the early 1980s, the Massey Ferguson 675. As part of the iconic 600 series, this machine was built to modernize the legends that came before it. While the 100 and 200 series were raw iron, the 675 introduced something farmers desperately needed: operator comfort without sacrificing a single ounce of legendary durability. The heart of this beast remains the gold standard: the Perkins, a 4.236 diesel engine. Delivering a robust 70 horsepower from its 3.9-liter displacement, this 4-cylinder engine is famous for its massive torque and fuel efficiency. But the real game-changer was the 12-speed synchronous gearbox, allowing for smoother shifting than ever before. Combined with the Series 27 cab, featuring noise reduction and climate control, the 675 allowed farmers to work grueling hours without the typical exhaustion of older models. With a beefed-up hydraulic system lifting a massive 2,500 kilograms, the 675 handles heavy modern plows with ease. It features oil-immersed disc brakes and the superior Ferguson draft control to prevent stalling in tough soil. Even after 40 years, its thick steel chassis and lack of complex computers make it a top choice for reliability. The MF675 proves you can have a comfortable ride and a world-class workhorse in one invincible package. Number 4. Massey Ferguson 240. Breaking into our top 4 is the direct successor to the throne, the Massey Ferguson 240. Launched in 1979 to evolve the iconic 135, the MF240 didn't just fill big shoes, it became the most successful modern classic in farming history. It's a machine built on a single, defiant principle: if it's not broken, don't add electronics to it. This is pure, raw mechanical perfection that still dominates fields 45 years later. At its core beats the immortal Perkins EAD 3.1 5.2 diesel engine. This 3-cylinder, 2.5-liter powerhouse delivers a steady 47 horsepower with a signature roar that every farmer recognizes. It's world-famous for its incredible fuel economy and bulletproof reliability under extreme heat or mud. Paired with a bullet-tight 8-forward, 2-reverse manual gearbox, the 240 is built for heavy labor. Its Ferguson hydraulic system punches way above its weight class, lifting an impressive 1,415 kilograms with precision draft control. But the real reason the MF240 is a global icon, it's 100% mechanical. No computers, no sensors, just heavy-duty steel and cast iron. From the UK to Pakistan, you can fix this tractor at the edge of a field with basic tools. With oil-immersed disc brakes and a compact 1.9-ton frame, it's the ultimate versatile workhorse. The MF240 isn't just a tractor. It's a 47-horsepower survivalist that simply refuses to die. Number 3. Massey Ferguson 39. Landing at number 3 is the undisputed star of the 300 series, the Massey Ferguson 390. Launched in 1986, this machine earned the title of the most balanced tractor ever built. It hits the ultimate sweet spot, heavy enough for massive industrial tasks, yet agile enough for daily farm chores. In the world of agriculture, the 390 isn't just a tool, it's a legendary masterpiece of mechanical engineering. The soul of this beast is the upgraded Perkins 4.248 diesel engine. This 4.1-liter naturally aspirated powerhouse delivers a rock-solid 80 horsepower with earth-shaking low-end torque. But the 390's real claim to fame was the revolutionary 1212 shuttle transmission, allowing lightning-fast forward-to-reverse shifts, making it the king of loader work in its era. With a reinforced hydraulic system lifting a staggering 2,800 kilograms, the 390 handles the heaviest modern implements without breaking a sweat. Why is it still a fan favorite? Because it's a red giant with minimal electronics. Despite its modern capabilities, it relies on pure mechanical grit, featuring oil-immersed disc brakes and a rugged Highline cabin for 360-degree visibility. Whether you're plowing through mud or hauling massive trailers, the 3.5-ton MF390 proves that real reliability doesn't need a computer. It's an 80-horsepower tank that simply refuses to grow old. Number 2. Massey Ferguson 550. Taking the bronze medal at number 2 is a masterpiece of the 1970s, the Massey Ferguson 550. Launched in 1976 as part of the innovative 500 series, this machine was built to replace the legends of the past with a bold new focus: operator safety and comfort. It proved that you didn't need a massive tractor to get massive protection. For many farmers, the 550 wasn't just a workhorse, it was a lifesaver. The heart of this compact beast is the golden engine, the Perkins AD 3.152 diesel. Delivering a rock-solid 50 horsepower, this 3-cylinder engine is the same bulletproof unit found in the 135 and 240, famous for running tens of thousands of hours on nothing but basic oil changes. But the real star is the integrated safety cab. Designed with a built-in ROPS, rollover protection system, it shielded farmers from noise and danger like never before. With a rugged 8-forward gearbox or the high-tech multi-power option, the 550 remains incredibly agile. Its Ferguson hydraulic system lifts a precise 1,415 kilograms, using automatic draft control to maximize every ounce of its 50 horsepower punch. Because it shares parts with its legendary cousins, the 550 is cheap to fix and impossible to kill. It's the ultimate mix of vintage grit and modern safety, a true 50 horsepower survivor that refuses to quit. Number 1. Massey Ferguson 565. Claiming the silver medal at number 1 is the powerhouse of the mid-70s, the Massey Ferguson 565. While its younger brother, the 550, focused on agility, the 565 was built for pure, unadulterated strength. Launched in 1976, this 60-horsepower beast was the answer for farmers who needed a machine that could handle heavy-duty mixed farming without flinching. In the world of red giants, the 565 is a masterclass in mechanical endurance. The heart of this legend is the iconic Perkins AD 4.236 diesel engine. This 3.9-liter 4-cylinder masterpiece is widely regarded as one of the most reliable engines ever forged, delivering massive low-end torque that makes stalling nearly impossible. Paired with the optional multi-power transmission, offering 12 forward gears and clutchless shifting, The 565 became a productivity monster. Its upgraded Ferguson hydraulics boast a lifting capacity of over 1,800 kilograms, easily wrestling 3-furrow plows through the toughest clay. But the 565 wasn't just about brawn, it introduced the revolutionary supercab. With a flat floor, superior soundproofing, and hydrostatic steering, it turned a brutal workday into a smooth operation. Because it shares vital DNA with the 200 series, parts are cheap and repairs are 100% mechanical. The MF565 isn't just a tractor, it's a 3-ton iron legacy that continues to outwork the competition 50 years later. The evidence is clear. Massey Ferguson didn't just build tractors, they built legends. But which of these 9 red giants is your personal favorite? Is there an MF workhorse still running on your farm today? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your stories. If you enjoyed this journey through agricultural history, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into legendary machinery. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next field.